Hola, mi gente hermosa. Hello, sweet friend. I am so glad you are here to tag along with me for part 2 of this ugly bathroom renovation. Last week, we left off at me demolishing as much as I could up until this point. I took out this wall to the left. We opened up the windows. But here we are on part 2 of this saga, and a lot has changed ever since. This is part 2 of this main bathroom renovation, and I am going to call this a redemption story, and you'll see a little bit more down into today's video. Before we continue, please hit that subscribe free button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does tell YouTube that you enjoy content like this one, so other people like you can find videos like this. I am taking you back in time to 2022, sometimes in August, with the hope that I was going to be able to finish this bathroom by that year or the year after. But in fact, sometimes that's not how life goes. During this time, I had the energy, I had the weekend time to do it. I was thrilled about it, and I kept pressing forth to do some demo. But unfortunately, things started turning and not so into a good way. Thankfully, my brother came to the rescue, and I am so grateful for his life. With the bathrooms, that's the chimney, and that's the ceiling, as you can see. Now it feels really cold in here. This is empty. And here, which is insane, that from the wall to this 2x4, there's about a foot of a distance. So I'm hoping that we can push this bathroom back 1 foot, and we'll see what we're gonna do from there. But again, this is day 3 of demo. This is day 4 of my brother helping me demolish this bathroom. He took out the ceiling, and we're gonna take all that out, or not, I'm not sure yet. We need to see what else is in there. And here, I know I said previously we wanted to push this back about 1 foot. But yesterday he found these 2 things here, these 2 pipes. And honestly, we don't know what they are until he opens that. We have no idea. And there's pipes running there, but this could also, we think here is where they had the vanity before, and this is where I want to build the closet, but I'm not sure. Maybe I do want to put the vanity back in there and build the closet here. Not sure how we're gonna do it, but you could see the pipe there. And here's the bathtub that he's probably gonna be ripping out today. We still have this toilet here because at night, to be honest with you, it's kind of hard to go all the way to the basement in the middle of the night. And this is how it's looking. He still has the light and the vent there. And yeah, there's no way I was gonna be able to do this by myself. It's, you know, there are some things that my body cannot no longer do. Like, I'm excited to start putting it together. I'm gonna obviously use help. I'm gonna use help from the plumber and the electrician, and my dad, he knows how to put tiles. Maybe he'll guide me. I'm not sure if my brother, I am giving my brother a little something financially, right? Because the laborer is due of its wages, and he's helping me. So it's not like he's doing it for free. It's not much, but it's something. So I'll show you tomorrow. And today is November 1st. Tuesday, November 1st. So if you're wondering why I haven't cleaned Matthew's room or show you Matthew's room, it's because this has become like the dump area, because that's the bathroom. And here's Matthew's bedroom. And I'm planning to, I know it sounds crazy because I just did a laundry room makeover, but I'm planning to turn this into my laundry room. So that's why you don't see me cleaning his room in the videos. But soon, so you will. I will be taking all that down. I am going to build a closet here for Matthew. Take this down and figure this out once we close that door there, because that's going to be the laundry room there. Big problem that my brother had to stop working because we're having a leak. And the worst part is that I have COVID. Sometimes life just throws you with everything, but I'm going to show you the leak that we're having. And I'll see how I don't know what's going to happen, but that's the story of my house now. I'm going to show you that this is what I'm dealing with. Right now, my neighbor is going to come later and try to help my brother, because there's not much I can do, but this is reality. This is the reality. Wow. I'm going to try to stay hydrated and just give this to the Lord. That's all I can do. Give it to the Lord. All right, friends, and here we are in August 2024, and my bathroom is done. I am just taking you through this saga series, but I am so grateful to God, my neighbor, my brother, my dad, my children, and just life in general. I'm thankful that you are here, because this is a redemption story. You will get healed. And if you're sick at this specific moment, I pray that you receive healing right now. And I also pray that you receive strength and wisdom and doors that will open so you could too have a beautiful home, either if you build it by yourself or if you have the financial resources to pay someone else to do it for you. I am grateful for the community, my dogs, Coco, as always. And until the next video, I will see you then. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment down below, and that way we could see each other again. And meanwhile, I am going to link down below all the videos of DIYs that were taking place during this time. Bye.